What will you be? What will you be? Drifting in the open world, tell me. What will you willing to pray? What will you pay to be alive this time tomorrow? Fuck today. What will you say? I tell you what I be. She won't leave and I just don't care. Dark slicing and bleeding, you're slicing and dripping everywhere. You live in a fucking nightmare. I told me somebody told me how to get out of here, else the heavenly lie right here. We know you're not happy here. Peace is an option, so no, I'm knocking off it and blowing cups and cuts. Instead for peace ain't the option. If you got a reason to live, better spend it. I'm turning into something I don't recognize. What will you pay? What will you say? I want to turn into something. I see it deep in your eyes. I smell the filth that spilled the lies. I give you a smile and you turned me back. So wrong, so I got to get the fuck out. You die, survive, suffer, so I see you suffer the sky. I'm gonna get you, I gotta follow empty with a mouth full of loose teeth. Follow fucking comfortable, what the fuck would I know? Nasty, oh, didn't like that. For real, I'm turning into something I don't recognize. What will you pay? If you're offended, you should reevaluate your situation. I'm turning into something I don't recognize. I bleed myself playing on this field, left and here. Honestly, I don't even feel real. Bleeding to bleeding, I can just have a peaceful death. Pull the blindfold, do accompany me. Surround me, bucks and worms, face down with an extra silver round in me. Like my corpse up, I'm turning into something I don't recognize. So recognize I'm turning into something. Somehow, somewhere, someone, something. I'm turning into something I don't recognize. So recognize I'm turning into something. Somehow, somewhere, someone, something. I'm turning into something. A motherfucking human being.